Hey Bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is pretty much a quick makeup tutorial. This is for those days when you are headed out, girl, and you are running late and you have to get to work, you have to get to the office, you have to just go. So I wanted to do a quick everyday makeup look, and this is what I came up with, y'all. I tried to do this in 10 minutes. It didn't work out that way, girl, so I tried to do it in 15 minutes. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Now, I did apply my lashes off camera because I tried to apply them on camera. It wasn't working out, honey. So I applied my lashes and my gloss off camera. So that is pretty much it, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to continue to see tutorials like this. This is just a quick everyday look. I'm actually getting ready to leave to go to work right now, so that was why I decided to do this quick look. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Look down below, there's a red button that says subscribe. Become part of the Bestie clan. Also, come on and socialize with me on Instagram. It is Trina Felicia. On Twitter, it is Trina Felicia. On Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauties. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video. Keep watching, girl, keep watching.